very hard.
Hello guys, you join me on a nice summer's day. Today we are fitting a centre console delete to Rob's MX5.
So here it is, a stubby little console from DCN Performance. Yeah, it comes with a nice leather gaiter, so it's very easy to fit. If you haven't taken one of these consoles out before, you've got two screws at the front. There's one will be underneath your window switch, which I don't have, and then you will have two Phillips screws in here as well. But first off, gonna get a spanner, get the gear knob off. Right, so with my Skunk 2, you need a spanner, and then you just use that to loosen off that locking nut. If you have the OEM gear knob, it will just unscrew, so just twist it to the left. Under these covers, you've got Phillips heads. Philip. On there.
Same on the other side?
Same on the other side. There would be one here, so you'd have to pop out the electric switch or the blank if you had a blank. So there would be one there, but I obviously don't have that. Then two up here, one there. Tis absolutely roasting in here.
Little bit hard.
Sun's out, ginger's in. So, and then you should just be able to pull it off. You take the front off first, because you'll want to slide the petrol and boot released.
How much did you spend on this upgraded centre console?
Yeah, a lot.
No, I mean the one you're taking out now.
Oh, this one? Yeah.
Because you only bought it like a couple of months ago, and now you're just taking it out.
Yeah, I hate it. Right, nice and easy installation. So we just want to sort of feed our gear knob through the new gaiter.
Alligator.
If I can find the arm. There she is. That'll slide down. Then, whoops. I'm going to need this cable. There, and then we've got the last screw down the bottom in here, so I'll borrow one that I nicked from up there. Cool. So I am going to plug in a window switch because I will be doing an electric window upgrade in here.
Look at that. It's
nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
And then all you need to do is stick your knob back on.
All back in.
Or back in.
Uh-oh.
So there is another part you could buy for this. They do make a sort of a finishing panel for here with some cup holders. I will probably buy it at some point, but it is just a little bit expensive. So I mean, this is quite expensive as well. But and then you can also buy, I think their trim panel covers these holes. If not, you can buy some carpet from Just Performance, which will hide those. And just get that so the numbers read straight. Look. No, I'm not bashing my arm all the time. Look. Oh yeah. Nice.
Grow hard about what you want to be.
What do you think, Ollie?
Everybody just do
Wonderful.
your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do.
Get 20 subscribers away from doing our giveaway. So please remember, if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, do all of that stuff, because you, yes, you could win a Sam's Detailing sample box.
I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.